And we begin with breaking news. A new order to slow the spread of coronavirus will soon go into effect as a long holiday weekend is set to begin. At 12:01, bars, restaurants, and casinos in Allegheny County will have to close for a week. A voluntary stay-at-home order will also be in effect. The county health department director says it is necessary because new cases more than doubled today. 233 new cases were reported today, and that is more than the past 2 days of record-setting new cases combined. The health department believes cases will also significantly increase again tomorrow. The new order is not the same as the state's yellow phase, but it does have many of the same rules and restrictions. Shelby Cassesse is live tonight with all of the details on this. Shelby.
Pam, this announcement from the county came down around 4 o'clock this afternoon, giving these establishments about 8 hours before the order went into effect. Now, restaurants can continue to provide carry-out service, but restaurant owners tell me tonight they are beyond frustrated, especially because they just reopened their restaurants fully about 4 weeks ago when the county entered the green phase.
It's devastating. It's completely devastating to our industry.
Carmela Salem owns Carmela's in the South Side. She was driving to work this afternoon when she heard the news. She was going to have to close her restaurant again.
We have less than 24 hours to do anything about this. We've just stocked our refrigerators, our coolers, with fresh produce, fresh meats.
Beginning at 12:01 Friday morning, bars, restaurants, and casinos in Allegheny County must close for 1 week, though restaurants can serve to-go food and alcohol. Gatherings must not exceed 25 people, which includes, but is not limited to, meetings, concerts, sporting events, and movies. That does not apply to religious gatherings, which still remain subject to state restrictions. County officials are also recommending a voluntary stay-at-home protocol. Salem tearfully told KDKA the thought of going back to takeout only is painful after doing it for 10 weeks during the initial shutdown.
I just can't do it. I'm emotionally drained. Let's hope it doesn't last longer than a week.
She adds some of the frustration stems from a lack of enforcement on establishments who ignored state guidance for reopening, while she invested in safety measures for her restaurant to meet those guidelines.
Social distancing and sanitizing, and we got curtains made to separate tables. All of our guests have felt comfortable and safe in here.
In a press release Thursday, County Health Director Dr. Deborah Bogan acknowledged the frustration with a surge in cases and recent measures to curb those numbers, but ultimately said, quote, "This is not a decision that I've made lightly, but I believe it's necessary based on the new cases in the county and the community spread that is occurring." We also heard from the city this evening. They said they revoked 9 permits for block parties that were supposed to happen this weekend over concerns that those events would surpass the 25-person limit. Reporting live on the North Shore, Shelby Cassesse, KDKA News.